What's up, guys? I'm here to show y'all a very inexpensive way to get into home automation. I recently purchased this from Walmart. It's a Philips Hue. Cost 79 bucks, almost 80 bucks, and I was able to build something to do all the things this could do for about $17. So a little bit of reading, a little bit of YouTube videos, a little bit of time, and you can get this thing done for roughly the same price. And I'll show you how to do that in this video. I will leave links for all the materials that I purchased. Start off with this Sonoff. It's a Wi-Fi bung you can get off Amazon. This is the Wi-Fi bung I purchased from Amazon. I got a pack of 2 for 15 bucks, I think. You need to order that. I found one of these around the house, just a traditional extension cord, and of course some wire cutters and a small screwdriver. And what you're going to do, you're going to take your extension cord. This is the male end, this is the female end. Cut it somewhere in the middle. Doesn't really matter where, from what I understand. So you're going to cut it right here. And if you look at the 2 cords, one is going to have ribs in it. I tried to get a better clip of the ribs. See if you can see them here. Okay, the ribs are going to go into the negative port. The ones without the ribs are going to go into the L port. So as you can see, the male end is connected into the input side. The female end is plugged into the output side. Remember, the ribs go into the N, the non-ribbed go into the L. I put a little bit of electrical tape right here because I didn't want the wires touching each other. I shimmed them down a little bit too much, so I just put that around there so they don't touch, because it will cause a shock. Once you have done this, which is fairly simple, you unscrew those tiny little screws right there, stick the wire in, tighten it up, give it a little tug, make sure it's in there good, both sides, and that's pretty much all you gotta do as far as hardware is concerned. Now this part's pretty much common sense. You're gonna plug the extension cord into the wall. There's the bung. Bung is going to plug into, well, I just have a lamp just for testing purposes. And here's the lamp. Now, when you pair this, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the bung. So when you're pairing, you're going to hold down this button until that green light starts flashing really fast. Then you'll be able to pair it with the app. The app I'll leave in the comments. It's eWeLink.com, I believe. And it is it's free on your mobile, and it allows you to control all of these. You can set up as many of these as you like. I'll leave a link in the comments for the second half of this video where I go through the app, how to operate it, and everything else you need to get your lights started. Thank you for watching.